Hey guys, when I saw these ingredients, I was skeptical at the first, but these three ingredients drink change everything. If you want to see or if you want to lose belly fat, detox your body, or boost your energy naturally, you need to watch this to the end, okay? First, I have lemon, ginger, and baking soda. So those things that we are going to make this detox or belly fat loosen drink. So now what you need to do to cut your lemon, wash your lemon and cut it and squeeze the juice, because the juice that we need. I find this remedy from Sister ABI'S Choice Remedy. You can try it, and also you can tag that lady. She's having amazing things. I find this from her remedy and I say no, I have to try it and see how this thing work. So it's amazing. After trying it, I'm just speechless, guys. So now I take 2 lemon to be squeezing because we need the juice of the lemon. You can use lamb also, or you can use the lemon, which one that you have from your hand. You can use that one to do your things. But stay tuned with me, because after that I will analyze a little bit about the benefit that these drink have. Okay, so now after squeezing it, whether you can squeeze it from your machine or you can use your hand to squeeze it as the way I'm doing, which one that you think that it can be easier for you, you can squeeze it like that. And also after squeezing it, we will use ginger also. So that's the 3 ingredients that we have to use: ginger, lemon and baking soda. So please, you don't need to miss anything, because this thing, it work like a magic. So stay tuned with me. So now after squeezing my lemon, I have to put it inside my cup this way, because for me to add the baking soda, this place, it can be safe for me. But make sure that your baking soda is not expiring one. Don't use expiring baking soda to make your drink. So now I'm taking 1 cup of water. Okay, it looks like my cup is a little bit big, but it's okay. I'm taking 1 cup of the water, because that water that I will add into my ginger to blend the ginger. So now I'm putting half of it inside my blender, and the next thing, I'm going to add my ginger into it. Okay, this is the ginger, this amount of the ginger that I'm going to use. You can use this amount, or you can use more than this, or you can make it even more than that. But I can only advise you, as a first time for trying this detox belly fat drink, I will advise you to make it a small batch and try it and see if it's okay for you. Then you can make another one. If you find it that is difficult for you, then you can do, or you can stop using it. And also, this drink is very powerful. It's very, very powerful. So I'll advise you also, if you try it and you feel like your stomach, you are not feeling well, please stop it. Or if you see that you are running too much, you are going toilet to, going washroom or toilet, whatever that you are going, I'm going to call it for you guys to understand. You are going there too much, the big place, you have to stop drinking this. Okay, but if you see that it's okay for you, then you can continue using it. But everything also, consistency is the key of everything also. So now after pour my lemon, I added my baking soda. You have to put 1 tablespoon. Please, baking soda, no baking powder. Okay, don't use baking powder, use baking soda, and make sure that it does not expire. So now, guys, I blended my ginger. Okay, this is my ginger that I blended. So now I'm going to strain the ginger and add the ginger juice into the other ingredients. So my people, now as I'm straining my ginger, let's take a look of the ingredients that I'm using to make this detox. Okay, lemon. Let's start from the lemon. Lemon is the detoxify. Lemon is detoxifying the liver and flushing out of detox. It also boosting metabolism to help burn your belly fat. Lemon also is improving digestion and balancing body pH. So lemon is very good while you are using it or you are adding it to make your detox things. Whether this way or you are making something else, to add lemon or to add lamb, you have to know that you are going to benefit you will get a lot of benefit from lemon also. Okay, so now After that, let's check about our ginger. Okay, that one I'm straining now. So let's check and see the benefit of the ginger. So my people, let's check and see the benefit of ginger. Okay, ginger is reducing inflammation naturally. It's also improving digestion and increasing calorie burn. So ginger also is very good while you are using it for your detox things. Okay, so now after that, I added as you guys can see the beginning of the video, after I squeezed the lemon juice, I added 1 tablespoon of baking soda inside. This is amount of the juice that we have. Okay, this one, how can you take it? You have to take it empty stomach, because according to Sister Abby's Choice Remedy, she's saying that it's good when you take it empty stomach, and I tried this way and it's very good. Yeah, it's very okay for me. I didn't have any stomach pain, I didn't have anything about my stomach. Everything was very perfect, and I cannot even wait to try it or to use it again, because I'm checking my weight, and after drinking it, guys, I'm going to give you guys feedback. So she's saying that you have to take it like a shot. Okay, shot, how you people calling it, those who are drinking, maybe you understand what I'm saying. Shot, like once, you just have to take it once every morning before you brush your teeth, before you put anything into your stomach or into your mouth. You have to drink this one. So when I think about the shot, it's in 4 tablespoons. It is going to be like 1 shot to take it once. Yeah, 4 tablespoons. So if you are going to say maybe you don't know, how can you don't have shot cup to use it, or how can you know that this one is okay for me to take? Just take your tablespoon, measure, take 4 of your tablespoon, 4 or 5, yeah, tablespoon, and drink it once. That is it. In the morning, this thing, don't drink it in the evening, because it's not for the evening drink, it's only for morning drink, because it can, maybe if your stomach does not take, or if this thing take your system very quick, it can make you running diarrhea. You just have to be flushing everything out. So you have to be taking it in the daytime, in case you want to go inside the washroom or the big washroom. It's easier for you to use it than in the night. Okay, so don't drink it in night, always drink it in the morning, empty stomach, before go and brush your teeth. So this amount of the drink that I have, I'm going to put inside my fridge, and every morning I'm going to take it. Okay guys, now this is the next morning, the first morning I came out. So before taking this drink, I was saying that, why before taking it, should I do something like the beginning? Because these drinks, for me trying it, I know my weight also is not, it's not easy. I have about 90 kilo something. Okay, so guys, I'm laughing because, but I know it's not funny. It's not funny for me to be laughing. This amount that you have to be mentioning it and drinking, I know it's not funny with that weight, but as a mother, I just stopped my daughter breast feeling, so it's normal. Yeah, it's normal. So guys, it's not funny. This weight is not funny at all. So now I'm trying to lose weight, I'm trying to go back to my normal weight. So I'm fighting with it very seriously, and I know a lot of women is out there, a lot of mothers also out there, having the same challenge about how they can, after you give birth, after you finish breastfeeding your child, how you can lose the weight, lose the belly fat. A lot of us, we are having a lot of problem about belly fat, how to lose it, or how to burn our belly fat. So this drink, when I just saw this video, I was saying no. I told her even I'm going to try it, and she said okay, after trying it, tag me. You tag me, so please, you also can try it. After trying it, tag me also and tag her. Okay, yeah, try it and let me know how it go with you, because this drink is very powerful. So now, in the first day trying it, let's check my weight, guys. Let's check the weight, and I know that everything, consistency is the key. I cannot use it maybe 2 times and I expecting it to work magic for me. I have to use it consistency, because I'm someone who is natural influencer, so things about natural to take care of your body. I know all how these things work. It does not work only once. It does not work once like that. You have to take it. It will take a time before it starts to work, guys. You can see. So this stomach, I have to burn it off. So thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share for me. Sister Habis, thank you.